Hello students. Hello students. Today in this video class I shall tell you about circles. We see many things in our surroundings which are round. For examples, wheels, bangles and coins are the examples of things that are round. We can say that circles are round. A circle is a closed simple curve which is not a polygon. It is not made by line segments. Here we take a circle. You can see the figure given below. It is clear that circle is round. It is closed curve. It is closed. It is not open. No open. You can see a point in the interior of the circle. Here is a point in the interior of the circle. This point O lies in the interior of the circle, and this point is fixed and it maintains its equidistance property or principle from each and every point that lie on the boundary of the circle. You can take any point on the boundary of the circle, and the distance between O and any points on the boundary of the circle remains always same. This very point is called the center of the circle. This point O is the center of the circle because it is equidistant from all the points that lie on the circumference or boundary of the circle. You can take more and more examples of round things that are present in your environment or surroundings and can make yourself understand. That's all today.